Hello everyone, this is Assistant Professor Tanvi Panchal from LJ Integrated MBA. I welcome you all to the video session of Introduction to Event Management. Today we will be focusing on the part 4 of Module 1, which comprises of developing the record keeping system and the types of policies and procedures in event management. So let's begin with the record keeping systems. Record-keeping system is a systematic procedure by which the records of an organization are created, captured, maintained, and disposed of. So, following are the records that must be developed and maintained in the event management. The first one is the contact sheet. That is, the contact details of your service providers, organizers, clients, target audience, as well as the media people. The next one is the responsibility chart. Responsibility chart means the delegation of the authorities and responsibilities which you have assigned to your team members during the event. The next one is the action sheet. It comprises of the review reports and the feedback forms when you measure the performance of your team members in the event. The next and the last is the checklist. Checklist is the list of activities which you need to perform during the event, on the day of the event, pre-event and post-event, that is after the event is completed. So now let's discuss the benefits of record keeping system. The first one is it helps to plan and to work more efficiently. When you have records recorded, it helps to plan and it helps to forecast the future and the upcoming events, and it works more efficiently. To measure the profit and performance of the organization, once you have the records kept for the past and future upcoming events, helps in the preparation of the budget. Records are helpful in the preparation of the budget. Once you have the past records with you, it is easy to prepare the records for the future and upcoming events. Records are helpful to eliminate the risk and uncertainties. When you have the recorded unwelcome consequences which occurred in your past events, you can eliminate those events or those unwelcome consequences for the upcoming events. It is helpful to innovate and expand or diversify your organizational activities. When you have created any new creativity, it brings you the innovation and expand the activities for the organization. There are different types of record keeping system. The first one is electronic record keeping system and the other is manual record keeping system. Electronic record keeping system, it is an electronic record in where information is entered into a computer system and is used, stored and accessed via that system. It includes the document files, databases, spreadsheets, electronic mail and internet documents. Whereas manual records are simple, paper-based record keeping system. Now whenever you are working as a freelance or you have a small scale event management company, you can go for manual record keeping system. Let's discuss the advantages of electronic record keeping. First is, it is the efficient way to keep the financial records. Second, it is easy to generate the orders, invoices, debtor reports, financial statements, employee pay records and inventory reports. That is, multiple activities can be performed by using a single software, as it allows you to back up records and keep them in a safe place in case of fire, theft or any insecurity. For example, many accounting programs have the facilities to email the invoices to the clients and orders to their supplier. Now, the next we move on to is the advantages of manual record keeping system. Now, comparatively, it is less expensive to set up than the electronic records, as the risk of corrupted data is also less, whereas in electronic record keeping system, there can be duplication of files. This process is simplified as you don't need to be familiar with how the accounting software calculates and treats your information, whereas in electronic system, you need an expert person to handle and manage that particular software and repair and maintain it. This was all about the record keeping. Now, we move on to the policies and procedures in the event management. An event management policy selects the events that you want to process, define the processes needed to manage those events, and schedules when the events are processed. So it is the policy type which provide you a base policy definition that allows you to quickly create certain types of policies. Along with that, government has also designed certain types of policies which is mandatory for all the event management companies to follow while organizing the events. So let's discuss few types of policies, which are, the first one is the cash handling policy. It focuses on the cash collection procedures, that means maintaining and handling the cash data. The next one is the food policy. Now, food policy focuses on the food hygiene, safety of the people in the event, that is the health and safety measures. The next one we move on to is fundraising policy. It provides a framework for organizing the event regarding the process to follow and the issues to consider while organizing the fundraising event. The next we move on to is the sound policy. Now it focuses on the legal framework which is provided by the government regarding the use of speakers and other sound equipments in the public as well as in the private event. The next is the public safety policy. It provides the guidelines for the security of the delegates, organizers, client, service providers, and your target audience at the time of the event. And the last one is the vendor management policy, which describes the procedures for signing the contracts with the vendor. As large-scale event management companies always used to sign the contract with their vendors while making the purchase of the materials and equipments. This was all about the types of policies, and hereby we are finished with our module 1, where we had covered the topics of basics of event and event management, the role of decision makers and the requirement of event manager, the technical staff which is involved in the event management and how to analyze the event, and lastly, the decision making and the policies and procedures and developing the record keeping system. So module 2 will be started in the next video session. Thank you all.